explosion with the ball. Okay,
Ball.
giant David Buster ball.
That's yours.
And it's mine. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna leave this.
It's ours.
I got a little more dirt wall. I'm pumping.
I can't have. I'm constipated. The dirt made me constipated.
Maybe I should stand this close to the biggest explosion with the ball.
Yeah.
The camera's very far away just in case something very bad happens. I probably have safety glasses on, but it's looking okay.
I should have put like a wall like this. But I'm just casually like mining it. Meanwhile, the biggest explosion we ever done is happening.
There's gonna be water flying everywhere. So.
Guys, it's definitely not water under it.
Yeah, it's totally not the water under it.
I mean, the water just don't fly underground.
Bro, the pump made a
Boom, boom. Sounds like Jacob's fart. Something happened.
Is there a hole?
Good. I can see the bear.
Is there a hole? Maybe the thing just
Detached. Maybe. Probably. I forgot what the pump is.
yeah, I think it's detached.
I don't know. Detached. Oh, what?
It's fully detached. Where is it?
I love my
Where are you, babe? Where's the hole?
Where's the pump?
The pump down there. Somewhere.
Put it
Somewhere.
in the. What are you doing? Muddy boy.
We gotta. It's stuck. It's stuck.
Maybe I gotta use my dolphin powers.
No, but seriously, it's actually stuck.
Yeah, that's called dolphin powers. Oh, we need the power.
How far down is this?
I mean,
Pretty much buried. The whole thing.
wait,
Put
wait,
the bulb back in.
wait, yeah, where's the pump? No, we just found it and we lost it. Okay. Oh, it's deep.
Yeah, it's really deep.
I found it.
You did?
Yeah, but I don't feel it. About 2 seconds. I feel it.
Let's take all that metal.
Oh, I feel it. Ooh. Who put it on my shoes?
Ugh.
How deep is it?
I don't know. Oh, I found it. I found it.
Oh my.
We don't have to lock it up. Yeah, it detached.
Okay. Let me see the pump.
I'm
Let me
plugging
see
it in. I'm plugging it in.
No.
We'll wash it after. So we get more money.
Oh my god. This is gonna take us like 2 hours.
Ew.
Let me see if it works.
I think it just detached.
Underground?
Yeah, because of the dirt.
The dirt has arms. I got the shovel. Don't ask me how I did it. It was hot. Let me go.
Get in.
I got a big chunk of dirt coming your way. Hey! Did you want?
No, the amount of dirt should be around this. Over the metal, we can explode it.
Oh, this got the Cannonball 2000. Maybe if I just chop out these. Oops.
Okay.
There you go.
I should call it up.
How did cavemen go poop? Did they just go poop off a cliff? And just land on someone? Don't ask me how I did it. Bruh.
Back to blowing up.
That took us
I
a
think
while.
I had so much pressure on it that it just blew it up.
I know. I just
Or
want
like
like.
blew the pump out.
We're already 6 minutes into the video.
What do we do?
Guys, be patient. This is gonna take a while. I mean,
Not even fully inflated.
shoot, down.
Not even fully inflated.
How strong is this little root don't need?
No, it's not even fully
Look,
inflated.
I'm dealing with this little root. But I'm bench pressing. Oh, look how little that root is.
Wait up.
That made an explosion.
But it's like average right now.
Is it average?
Yes. Yeah. It's not even average yet. It's not even fresh from baby.
Oh, fresh from day
Well,
one.
now it is.
Well, it doesn't look fresh.
Bro, look at the pump. Shove it in more.
Yo, chill.
Okay, this is
Ready?
the end of this. Just don't put dirt on it. Oh god dang. That thing is sour. Maybe I should be back up. I'm not in front of you.
I don't know why I'm so close. Wait, that was bouncy.
Rock hard.
Nope, not yet.
Basically,
I hope it doesn't explode.
just bounce the dirt on it. Bounce the dirt on it. Okay, actually don't. Oh my, don't. Just biggest
Explosion we ever done.
we should have brought your muff. Bounce directly off it. My gun's about to get exploded.
Yeah, sure.
Oh.
I think the hole is not big enough.
You can make a dead mannequin.
I got an idea.
Yeah, make a dead person. Make my vest look like a dead person.
Nope. What do you like?
Don't. Give me my vest. And my helmet.
Okay. What happened with this?
Oh. Patado.
Yeah.
Grab him. Yeah, pump for now. Wait. Don't pump, don't pump, don't pump. It's like rock solid.
How rock solid? Not rock solid. It did leak. I don't find any loose pieces of dirt that I can find. Oh, stack them up to make a wall.
Should probably get a helmet on.
Me?
Yeah.
I don't even know
Before it goes boom.
in my face.
Okay, watch it. Oh, yeah, just keep on watching.
Wait.
What if it just slits open?
It doesn't make an explosion. Wait, let me see it. I mean, don't be
Is it
bad.
inflating more every second? Oh, it's rock solid now. Don't poke it. Give us a second. We're about to make the biggest explosion ever.
Just don't tell mom. Give us about 5 minutes.
Okay, you take a turn pumping.
It was hot. Well, I might want to buy.
Don't look at it. No, actually, don't look at it because it's gonna be on camera.
Yeah.
Okay, chill.
Okay. I don't feel like pumping.
Pumping look the other way.
Why when it explodes on my...
It's okay.
It don't hurt.
Oh God.
This thing is not exploding. Why
Okay.
would one of those big pieces go flying over there?
Let me pump some. After I take off my mask. Just keep on. Okay, don't pump. Don't pump without me with you.
Alright, this ball is deflated. See, it has no bounce. Ready?
Huh?
You know how this ball got popped? No bounce. No, I gotta put his hat on.
Before Supernova goes on. Mr. Supernova. That thing's gonna go dead. Freaking chicken.
He pulled it out of the ground. Then you gotta pump fast. I'll be over here.
I should probably face away. Let me get over here.
Let me see.
Solid.
Not that solid. I got an idea.
It's leaking air. How hard is it?
Pretty hard. I'm gonna assemble this.
No. It's like plastic.
Why would I sit in those balls?
Huh? If you sit on the ball, you're gonna die. It's gonna hurt. Don't.
Holy crap.
Ooh. Can you pump for a little bit?
I feel like pumping. I pumped the last ball and the ball I bought you.
I just pumped.
Well, I'll try it out.
These just explode.
I mean, it's bigger than usual.
Yeah, a lot bigger. Let me see if this is all getting camera. Yes.
Oh, God. We might have to leave it out here during night.
No.
Imagine the fox comes and it pops and the fox touches it. And the fox goes back to his house.
Pump together.
Oh, look how fast.
No, we can't do that because that's
Move.
You're already a little bit away from the camera.
Yeah.
Okay, let me go.
Never on the floor.
She's like, oh my god. What if that was another ball?
Why don't we hit it with like a baseball or something?
Don't.
Hello to your other friends. I thought you liked stick man.
You don't?
Or do you like Bob the stick man?
Bro, this thing is massive. Look how big it is.
It's our
Oh, that's our son.
Here's a little chicky.
It blew off when you did that. Bro, get out of the way. You have the camera.
How do you like a dirt soap, Bob?
Don't.
Why when Jacob comes out here and it
Bro, this
explodes?
pump is hot. Almost pumping it. Finish. Like the bottom. More hot. No.
Oh, it's clean. I think we should take it out and do it tomorrow.
Bro, just explode. Ooh. It's getting rock solid, just like the basketball.
But we said 5 minutes. What mic were we at when we said 5 minutes? We're at 18 minutes.
Bro, I love how it's just buried in the ground. Now it's just fully out massive.
It used to be way in the ground.
Yeah, it used to be pretty deep, like in the water too.
How do you like grass, man? Okay. I'm coming. Let me just pick up my stuff.
It's time to go in.
What happened when we bounce on the concrete? Okay. Stop. Jonah.
No, stop! Start picking up and off. Keep pumping.
Jonah. I'm not picking up until you come.
Pick up a few things. Please, God. Make this ball explode. With abracadabra, alakazam. Can we just smack it?
Smack it with a bat. Let's just smack it with a bat. Getting bigger every second. John. I'm smacking it with a bat.
Not yet.
Right?
No.
Yes. I'm gonna blame it on you that we didn't come inside.
Okay. Give me the bat.
No,
That was my idea.
did you hit the bat?
No, to pump it up. Let me do honest.
Actually, it was my idea to pump it.
No.
I bugged you.
I said, let's pump up this.